Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig I was sent over from MyFirstWigs. Like always, if any of you guys are interested in this wig or any wigs that they have on their site in general, if you're curious, the links will be listed in my description box. So let's hop into this wig. Now, this is what the packaging looks like. Now, I'm a little excited about this wig only because I wanted this wig. So this is the wig right here, and it has the blonde on the side, and it's just around the perimeter, but not like right here. It's only on the side. So that's what we looking like right here. Like I said, it is 20 inches long. I don't really have much to say about this wig because the quality of the hair, like every time, I have not received a bad wig from MyFirstWig, so that tells you straight up that the hair quality is really good and their wigs last long. So if you are looking for a nice human hair wig, check MyFirstWigs out. They are a bit pricey, but it's worth it. This company is known for beginner friendly wigs, which basically means that if you don't know how to pluck a hairline, it already comes pre-plucked. If you don't know how to bleach knots, the knots already come bleached. It basically already comes styled. I mean, you have to do some styling, but as far as like the coloring and everything, you don't really have to put that much effort into making it look good, basically. So right here we have the hairline. That's what the lace is looking like. Here is the color close up. As you can see, the hairline is bomb. The lace is very blendable, you guys. I love the lace that they have on their wigs. But construction, so we have, and as you can see, the knots are bleached. So we have two combs in the front. We also have a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and then they give you this elastic band for extra security, and the elastic band is adjustable, as you can see, to, you know, fit your head size. So I'm going to go ahead and put this wig on with the lace still on, of course, so you guys can see what we looking like. Mind you, I do have a black stocking cap on, so you're not really going to see the part that well. Let me push it back. And I have like a burn on my forehead that's irritating me so bad. Alright. So as you can see, this is what the hairline is looking like. You see what I'm talking about, y'all? Like, it's really, really nice. And lately the wigs that I've been getting, I don't really have to put work into them. They just come bomb. They come looking really good, which I can appreciate. So I'm gonna step back so you guys can see. Let me fix my paper. And I don't know about, like, this, to me, it's not really giving 20 inches, but okay. I don't know. It actually looks blunt up in this part, like it's been cut. I kind of like that though. So we just gonna go with that because the sides are a little bit longer, but let's style it to see what it's trying to do. Alright, y'all, so now we're moving on to applying this wig. Okay, so I will say, if you wanted to wear this glueless, you actually can. Just make sure you have the right cap size, you guys, because it's not going to work if your cap is too big, and it's not going to work if your cap is too small. Now, if it's too big, it just defeats the whole purpose, and you're going to have to glue it down because it's not going to fit, or it's not going to be secured. And then when it's too small, you know how your wig too small and it's slipping off. That's normally what happens. So just make sure you have your right cap size. So for this application, I will be using my olive oil fix-it spray. I have not used this in so long, you guys, and I forgot how much I actually like this product. I think I'm not really consistent with using just one product because I have so many at this point, but this was good to come back to. I definitely love the way it held up on this wig. Alright, now for applying my wig, when I spray my lace adhesive, I normally start in the middle and then I'll work my way to the sides. Like I do the middle, then I do maybe the left side or the right side. It all depends. And then I work my way to the other side. For me, this just works best and it makes my wig come out even. I have in the past tried to like start on the side and then work my way to the other side, but my wig is never even, you guys. So this is why I start at the top and then I work my way down to each ear, if that makes any sense. Alright, so after my lace is laid, I'm going to use my blow dryer, and I'm using a warm setting, you guys. And usually it takes a few seconds for the spray to get tacky, and then I lightly press down on the lace to make sure my lace is secure. And y'all, as y'all can see, the lace on this wig is amazing. It blends right into my skin. So after I'm finished with the middle, I go down on the sides, y'all, and I repeat the same step. And usually I try to get a little bit more with my sideburns is, and it's okay if it gets on your head. Like, I've been doing this for a long time and my sideburns are still intact. So after I finished laying down the lace on this side, I did notice some spots that were not laying down. And it's okay, nothing is perfect, you guys. Sometimes you're not going to get it the first go round. So if you do have lace that's lifting, just go in with your spray of choice and lay all the spots that's, you know, not laid down. After my lace is laid, I like to go in with my wand curler. I know some people use their hot comb to kind of just like get your edges and everything nice and flat and laid. I use my wand curler, y'all. Like I said, you can use anything that makes you feel comfortable. I'm comfortable with using this, although I burn myself all the time, y'all, and I know y'all see that burn on my forehead. It's like, and I just now jumped from burning myself, if y'all saw that, but I stay burning myself, okay? Alright guys, so I want to share a little tip. I don't know, it might be a tip for some, who knows. But anyway, so what I do when I cannot get my wig flat, I go in with my wig adhesive spray and I just spray it on the wig. Because you know how sometimes like you'll have that hump in your wig and no matter how much you put heat on it, it's still humpy. Alright girl, I got you. Take that wig adhesive spray or any type of holding spray and spray it on your hair, right? And then go over it with your hot comb or your wand curler, and look how flat it gets the hair. Now if that doesn't work and you still have humps or it's still looking humpy and not as flat as you want it, go ahead and part the hair some more, right? And just once you part the hair, you'll see that it's not laying flat. I promise you, you will. You'll be like, oh, so that's what's making the hair humpy. Look, I don't know, y'all, and I'm so terrible at explaining things. It's really bad. But again, just take a little of that spray, y'all. Spray it on there. You don't want to go crazy with the spray, though. Don't go crazy with the spray. Just spray it on there and then use some heat, and that's going to lay it down. Look how flat my hair is, y'all. It looks like mine. Yeah, we just gonna say my hair. Now I'm taking my flat irons and I'm going in and just straightening the hair. And this hair straightens so beautifully. It looks very, very natural. It does have that Yaki texture. If y'all know me, y'all know that I love getting Yaki wigs from My First Wigs. That's like my thing, okay? Alright guys, so these are my end results. I really love this sleek look that it's giving me, y'all. And then it got the peekaboo blonde underneath. Even if you wanted to like tuck it behind your ear. Look how pretty this is. And I love the cut on it. Let me step back. This is the length. I did go in and cut the front just because it was angled longer than the rest of the hair, and I really like that, so I did cut that. But y'all see how just like good it looks? It looks really good.